बोलते. Again welcome to Sham Shakti Vidya Niketan English Medium School Malad online classes. Students, in our 4th standard subject maths and our new chapter is subtraction. In previous lecture we learned about addition, and in the previous few lectures we clearly learn about addition. One step addition, two step addition, addition with carrying over. Okay, now our new chapter is subtraction. Then what is subtraction? In addition we add two given numbers, but in subtraction, subtraction is completely opposite to addition. So in subtraction we subtract smaller number from greater number. So here one example is given. We have to try to solve this example. Ajay has collected 207 seeds. How much seeds collected by Ajay? 207 seeds. While Vijay has collected 165 seeds. How much seeds collected by Vijay? 165 seeds. Then what we have to do? Look here. How many more seeds does Ajay have than Vijay? Students, observe in this example. Ajay has collected 207 seeds. Means more than seeds collected by Vijay. Ajay collected 207 seeds, but Vijay collected only 165 seeds, less than seeds collected by Ajay. Students, first write given. What is given? Ajay has collected how many seeds? Ajay has collected 207 seeds. Okay. Then next, Vijay has collected. Vijay has collected how many seeds? 165 seeds. Means, observe here, seeds collected by Ajay more than seeds collected by Vijay, and we have to find how many more seeds does Ajay have than Vijay. So what we have to do here? We have to do here subtraction. Which is greater number? 207. Subtraction. And 165. Students, very simple. You learn in 3rd standard subtraction. So this is very simple example. Make column like this. You use scale and pencil. Okay. Students, subtract 165 from 207. Give places. Units, tens, hundreds. First, subtract unit place. 7 minus 5, correct, 2. Here, 0 minus 6, but 6 is greater than 0. Therefore, take 1 tens. Means here, what we have to get? 10. Okay. Therefore, 10 minus 6, 4. And students, firstly we taken tens from here. Means we have to again subtract this one from here. Means here. 2 minus 1, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Means our answer is 42. Therefore, students, our answer is Ajay has 42 more seeds than Vijay. Do you understand? Okay, students. See next example. Now, students, here second example is given. Then you places. For making column you use scale and pencil. So here units place, tens place, hundreds place, and then simple subtraction. 6 minus 5, 1. 8 minus 2, 6. And 5 minus 4, 1. Means our answer is 161. Okay student, next example. 542 minus 331. First write down given example as it is. 542 minus 331. Then arrange given example vertically. For making column you use scale and pencil. Arrange given example vertically. 542 minus 331. Units place, tens place, hundreds place. Then simple subtraction. 2 minus 1, 1. 4 minus 3, 1.